In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to set up post-purchase upsells using the Aftersell app. Let's get started. This is my demo Shopify store. I've added a few products in this store to show you exactly how this app actually works. Now to get started, we need to install the Aftersell app. So click on the first link which is given in the video description, which will take you to this page. Here, click on this install button. Then again, click on this install button to fully install this app on your store. Next, it will ask you to select a plan for your store. You can see that it contains a free plan, but that is only available for development stores. To make full use of this app, you need to go ahead with a paid plan. And don't worry, every plan comes up with a 30-day free trial, which will help you get started with this app. And if this app doesn't bring you money in the first 30 days, you can simply cancel the paid plan. Once you select a plan and confirm, you'll be taken to this page. Here you need to select your industry, then add the referral source, and then simply check this box and continue. Next, it will give you two options. You can either create an upsell funnel, or you can start with editing the checkout. For now, I will skip both of these. This will take us to the Aftersell dashboard. When you scroll down, you'll see this setup guide. The first step is to enable the Aftersell app on your store. When you click on it, it will take you to the Shopify checkout settings. Here, in the post-purchase page, you need to select the Aftersell app option and then hit the Save button. Next, I will simply close this tab and then click on this Refresh button here. Alright, now we are all set to customize our store upsell funnel. So, I will go to Edit Funnel option here and then click on Create Funnel. Next, I will name this funnel as my main funnel. Then I can either choose a template or create a funnel from complete scratch. When you click on this View Details option, you'll be able to see the funnel template info. If you want to use a template, then you only need to select a discount percentage here and then click on this Save button. And Aftersell will create a complete upsell funnel for you within a few seconds. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will show you how to create a funnel from complete scratch.